Okay. So today we are going to discuss one of the interesting topic, one-dimensional random variable. Let us see one problem. If the cumulative distribution function of a random variable capital X is given by capital F of X equal to 1 minus e lambda x, x greater than 0. If x okay, if x less than or equal to 0, capital F of x will be 0. Find the probability density function of capital X, and second one, find the probability of 1 less than or equal to capital X less than or equal to 2. Okay, so using the cumulative distribution function, we are going to find what is probability density function. Once we get to probability density function, so using that function, we are going to find the second one, probability of 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. So here capital F of x value is given, right? So using this, so first we are going to find the probability density function, right? So how to find the probability density function? We know that what is our property? Small f of x equal to what? Differentiation d by dx of capital F of x. Okay. So we know capital F of x value. So when you differentiate coming using this function, okay, we know capital F of x value, right? So coming to here, what is differentiation of constant? It is always 0 minus. What is differentiation of e power ax? So we e power ax into a. So here a value is what? Minus lambda. So we can write this e power minus lambda x into minus lambda. Okay. So that is therefore we can write this minus into minus plus. So lambda into e power minus lambda x greater than 0. So this is called what? Small f of x. Okay. So what is small probability density? That is f of x equal to lambda e power minus lambda x, x greater than 0. Okay. What is second question? Second question, we are going to find probability of what? 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to what? 2. Okay. So we know that what is property, how to write a formula for this type of interval. We know that what? Probability a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b equal to what? A into dx. Okay. So here a value is what? 1. So 1 less than or equal to x less than or 1 to 2. What is f of x? Lambda into e power minus lambda x. Okay. Into dx. So here lambda is constant, x is function, right? So you take lambda is outside from this integral. So we get integration of e power minus lambda x into dx, right? What is integration of e power ax? So e power ax by a. So when you integrate this function, we can write this e power minus lambda x by minus lambda, limit varies from 1 to 2. Okay. Lambda are getting cancelled. We get only e power minus lambda x by minus 1. Limit varies from 1 to 2. So now we substitute wherever x equal to 2 and x equal to 1. So we can write this minus of what? Substitute upper limit. So e power minus 2 lambda. Substitute wherever x equal to lower limit, we get e power minus lambda. Okay, so minus minus. Therefore, we can write this one minus lambda minus e power minus 2 lambda. Okay, so this is called what? Probability of less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, which means probability of 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, that is equal to e power minus lambda minus e power minus 2 lambda. I hope you were in this session. Thank you.